The Department of Tourism has postponed the nationwide mall sale that was supposed to kick off on March. The highly anticipated sale has been postponed due to the threat of the coronavirus disease 2019 worldwide. The postponed event is the Philippines' version of Singapore's Great Sale and Hong Kong's Summer Sale. Health Secretary Francisco Duque earlier advised the public to refrain from going to crowded places. The DOT recommends that malls follow the precautionary measures set by the Department of Health.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.